So this is the part that's connected to the step over here, and this is aluminum. This is aluminum, and the way it's connected to each other is by some crappy welding job. It looks like it's only welded on two sides, this side and this side. No wonder there's a bit of a play. So there, there's a play because there's a crack. See that crack? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see if this can be if there's any other solution for this. Yeah, weld there, it cracked. Another weld here, it cracked. And I'm only 160 pounds. Yeah, nice scooter though, but they should have just weld all the way around here. This is Swagtron Swagger electric scooter, which I've been using for I'd say 3 months. 3 months isn't bad, I guess, but it's still usable. But this one is damaged here, this crack. I don't know. I'll see if I could get someone to weld it, or maybe if I could get this part from Swagtron themselves. That'll be nice. And yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so that's okay. That's aluminum. This is metal, where the motor attaches to. It's metal. This is aluminum. See, this is aluminum, and that's just a homemade fender that I made up. There's the connector for the motor. There's the we call this feedback for the motor. Okay. Yeah. At the moment, this is not usable. Yeah, that's quite a crappy welding job there. Swagtron.